Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video we will understand how to add Facebook lead ads leads to Keap CRM. So here let's suppose that I'm promoting my business with the help of Facebook lead ads. Here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to create that lead as a contact in Keap CRM. So now to do this, I need to set up a connection between these two applications, for which I'm going to use this amazing automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect follows the concept of trigger and action. So here to do this, my trigger application will be Facebook lead ads and my action application will be Keap. So if you want to learn more about this, follow me through the screen.
In this video, we will understand how to add Facebook lead ads leads to Keap CRM. So here let's say that I am an owner of a bakery, and to promote my bakery, I'm using Facebook lead ads. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to create that lead as a contact in Keap CRM. So now to automate this entire process, I'm going to use this amazing automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So this here is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, and in order to reach here, you just have to type in pabbly.com/connect in your browser. So over here you can see that I've got two options, that is of sign in and sign up for free. So as I'm an existing user, I'm going to click on sign in, but if you're a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button, and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. Now this here is the all applications page by Pabbly Connect. So here I will click on access now to reach my dashboard. In the meanwhile, subscribe to our channel. So this here is my dashboard, and now in order to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I need to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as add Facebook lead ads leads to Keap CRM. On my left hand side, you can see that these are the folders which I've created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as Facebook lead ads to Keap automation, because this is an automation for Facebook lead ads to Keap. So here I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. So basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Action is an automated response of a trigger application, and in a workflow you can only have one trigger but multiple action applications. So now moving to my use case, that is to add Facebook lead ads leads to Keap CRM. So my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to create that lead as a contact in Keap CRM. So now in order to automate this process, I will go to my trigger window, and over here I'm going to search for Facebook lead ads as my trigger application. And the trigger event will be new lead instant. So the moment I'm going to receive a new lead, then this workflow is going to run automatically. Now moving to my action window, as I want to create that lead as a contact in my Keap CRM. So over here in this action window, I'm going to use Keap as my action application, and the action event will be to create or update contact. So as I've selected my action application and the action event along with my trigger application and the trigger event. So to complete my objective of adding the Facebook lead ads leads to Keap CRM, firstly I need to establish a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now if you have an existing connection, you can go with the same or you can add a new connection. So to add a new connection, I will simply click on connect because I've already opened my Facebook lead ads in one of the tabs. And here you can see that Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So now moving to the page and the lead gen form. So here I need to select the page that I've created for my bakery and the lead gen form which is associated with the page. So here this is the page by the name of More Than Bakery. So firstly in Pabbly Connect, from this drop down, I'm going to select my page. Here it is. So after selecting the page, now I need to select the lead gen form. So here in Meta Business Suite, these are the lead ad form which I've created before. So I want to use this lead ad form by the name of new contact form, and this is how the form looks like. So over here in Pabbly Connect, from this drop down, I'm going to select the form. Once I've selected the page and the lead gen form associated with it, here I'm going to click on save and send test request. So as I did that, here you can see it is waiting for webhook response. That means now I need to do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded over here in Pabbly Connect. So in order to do a test submission, I will go to this new tab, and over here I'm going to search for Meta for Developers. I will go to the page. And here in Meta for Developers, I will go to More and I will go to Tools. and under developer tools, I will go to this lead ads RTO debug tool. So this here is the lead ads testing tool, and this tool is going to test the connection. So now from this page drop down, I'm going to search for my page and I'm going to select it. So after selecting the page, I'm going to select the form, and now I'm going to click on preview form. So this here is the lead ad form, and I filled in the details of email, first name, last name, phone number and the city. So now I'm going to click on next. I will submit this form. And here you can see it says, thanks, you are all set. Your test lead has been sent. That means the test lead which I've just created right now would have been captured in Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to take you to Pabbly Connect. So here in Pabbly Connect, you can see that just now I have received a response, and over here in the response, you can see the details of the lead. So here you can see the email. Here is the first name, last name, phone number, city and the created date and time. That means the lead which I've just created right now is successfully captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So the first step of this automation is set up. That means now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically the lead will get captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data, and the workflow execution will start in real time. So as I've got the lead details, by using these details, I wish to create a contact in Keap CRM. So in order to do that, I need to establish a connection between Keap and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now, if you have an existing connection, you can go with the same, or you can add a new connection. So to add a new connection, I'm going to click on connect. I've already opened Keap in one of the tabs. So here I'm going to click on allow, as this is a secure access. And the authorization was successful. So here you can see that Keap and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So now moving to these fields. So here to mention the details in these fields, I'm going to use a method that is called as mapping. So basically mapping means to insert the data from previous steps. So as I've received the response from Facebook lead ad, so here in this field, I'm going to map the email. So as I've mapped it, you can select the email opted in option as yes or no from this drop down, and moving to the lead source ID, you can enter the lead source ID as well. So here it will check in for the duplicates by email. So you can select the option as per your requirement, scrolling down to these details. So here I'm going to map the first name, that was current. Now I'm going to map the last name, that was user. So as I've not received any of these details, so I'm going to leave these fields blank, and these fields are not mandatory as well. So now moving to some other details. So as I've received the phone number as well from the response, so over here I'm going to map the phone number as well. So as you can see that I have mapped the details in the fields which I have received from Facebook lead ads. So this method of mapping is important so that every time you're going to receive a new response, so that response could be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case this information could have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received a new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So as I've mapped all of the details which I've received from Facebook lead ads, so here I'm going to click on save and send test request. And here you can see that I have received a response, and over here this is a positive response. So now I'm going to take you to my Keap CRM. So here in Keap CRM, under contacts, you can see that a new contact has been created by the name of current user. So over here you can see the phone number, and this here is the email address. So that means now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically a contact will be created for that lead. So this automation was a successful one. That means now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically a contact will be created for that lead in Keap CRM. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.